Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Alright guys, if we're looking at the overall crypto market cap as a whole, we're currently sitting at $1.9 trillion and we're down 5.4% in the last 24 hours. And BTC dominance is currently sitting at 54.6%. It did go up, since last night. So, it was at 53.3%, but right now we're sitting at 54.6%. But if we're looking at the market overall, guys, we're seeing a lot of red across the board. We are seeing a dip, guys. We are seeing a correction. I believe this is extremely healthy because we will see some sort of corrections in the bull market before we do see newer leg up. We've been seeing in the last week, we've been seeing a lot of altcoins going crazy. So this dip is to be expected, and I believe for me this is a good time to accumulate the projects that I've been looking at. But you guys do what works for you. But today I want to talk about none other than Vechain. So let's look at Vechain, guys. So Vechain has been doing something very exciting over the last few days. It hit its new all-time high, and I want to cover that today. So right now VeChain's price is 10.5 cents, guys, and it's down 5.7% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also down a 1.7% in BTC comparative. Current rank is top 20 on coin market cap on CoinGecko, and market cap of VeChain right now is a $6.8 billion, and 24-hour trading volume is still above that $1 billion mark, and it's currently at $1.7 billion. So everything is looking pretty well, guys. If we're looking in the last 14 days, VeChain is up 26.7%. In the last 7 days alone, 18.1%. And this correction is very well needed and it's healthy in my opinion. As I mentioned, nothing goes straight up forever. There's always going to be corrections when these newer highs do occur. But if we're looking at this thing, I want to share with you guys real quick. So as you guys may know, I shared this in my previous video. Real Vision did take a poll, and the results are in. And their poll said, which of these do you believe is the most undervalued asset in crypto? And there was 140,341 votes that were taken, and VeChain won by a big margin. And a lot of people voted for VeChain, and 65.8% of that 140,300 people voted for VeChain. This goes to show, guys, this really does go to show that the hype that's building up for VeChain. A lot of people have been saying it for the longest time. A lot of people are finally starting to realize what VeChain is really doing. A lot of people finally see that VeChain is solving a real world use case. It has a working product, and also it's bringing mass adoption to the crypto space. And a lot of people are finally starting to realize that before there was a lot of these altcoins such as Cardano being a really hyped, which is don't get me wrong, a really good project. Cardano being hyped, Polkadot, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Dogecoin. So a lot of good coins were being overlooked. So now a lot of people are doing their research and starting to realize what these real good coins are and that actually have value, and they're starting to look into it, and that's why we are seeing upwards trend for these coins, and especially VeChain. If we're looking at VeChain's price, guys, wow, I just want to share with you guys right now. So as I mentioned, we were in this accumulation zone. We touched almost tried to touch 10 cents once, two times, three times, and the fourth time we finally broke. And guys, what's really interesting is, if you guys have been following me on my channel, you guys should know this. I said once we break that 10 cents mark, 12 cents is the target, and we touched 12 cents exactly, guys. Exactly at 12 cents we touched, and then we saw a pullback. See how, like, I'm very impressed. I did if you guys know, you guys can even vouch for me. I said 12 cents is the target, and we exactly hit that mark, and we had a pullback. And now I put I will be buying back my VeChain and make like a my bag bigger. As you guys know, that I've mentioned that I will sell 12 cents is my target, and 12 cents I will sell 15% of my holdings, and I will rebuy back them back. And I've been holding USDT. I had a sell order at 12 cents of 50% of my holdings, and then that order got executed, and now I have USDT available. I will be buying back VeChain now. See guys, nothing goes straight up forever. You always have to have some sort of strategy in place in order to play this market. So I will be able to pick up some VeChain at roughly around for 14% below what I sold it at. And that just makes my VeChain bag bigger, and I am not complaining at all. And not only I could look into other projects as well, like other coins that I've been eyeing down. I could buy those as well, but right now I want to be accumulating VeChain because I know the future for VeChain. I know what they're solving. I think a long term for VeChain, and I believe it will take over the crypto market along with Cardano and Polkadot in the next 5 years. Because what they're doing, guys, they have a working product. They're bringing mass adoption to the space, and they really are bringing, a lot of, they have a working product and bringing mass adoption to the space. You cannot be more bullish on that as well. And they have some big partnerships, such as AWS, Walmart, uh, Starbucks, H&M, like the list goes on and on, DHL, BMWs, list goes on and on. They're actually solving a real world use case, and that just cannot get me more bullish. And that's exactly what a lot of other people are finally starting to realize as well on VeChain. And that's why we are seeing a lot of interest in VeChain, because we did see these altcoins rally in the last couple of days. VeChain was one of them that did have a lot of eyes on it, and a lot of people have been talking about VeChain now. If you go on Twitter, guys, a lot of people are mentioning VeChain, and that goes to show the interest that VeChain really has right now. And I've mentioned in my previous videos, I believe I am very confident that VeChain can be listed on Coinbase, considering how good of a project it really is. Because you guys know VeChain, there's a lot of these other projects on Coinbase that don't even come close to VeChain in my opinion, and I believe it really does truly deserve to be listed on there, because Coinbase opens a lot of other doors for a project. Because as you guys may know, Coinbase is a fiat gateway, so whenever someone enters into the crypto markets, majority of the time their first purchase is through Coinbase. So it opens up a lot of eyes for new investors, and a lot of people can look into VeChain and be like, investor psychology. They'll be like, why would I buy Ethereum? It's so expensive, and Bitcoin when I can buy VeChain so low. Like, obviously some people do not know the circulation supply factor, but they could do their research and really, like, dig into a project and see, like, the potential of it. Because Ethereum is old tech, guys, and a lot of these other coins, and when people really start to do their research on VeChain, I'm sure they will be interested. And obviously when more and more big influencers start talking about it, you know you guys know what is going to happen. But yeah, VeChain is holding quite well, guys. Despite the fact that we are seeing a market correction, VeChain is holding very strong around this 10.5 cents level. I still believe, in this month, 12 cents was my target once we did touch, once we broke out that 10 cents range, and that exact target, guys, hit. And now I believe we will, in the next couple days or even a week, we will continue to go towards our next leg up, and I could even see this month VeChain hitting 16 to 20 cents. And yeah, that's just my own personal opinion. Only time will tell, but I'm very confident. And if we're looking at VeChain's search, guys, a lot of people are still searching VeChain. So like I said, this goes to show a lot of interest is on VeChain, and it's right in front of us. If you guys are going looking at Dogecoin, Cardano, and all these other coins that were hyped previously, those guys, those projects are not being as searched anymore. See, this goes to show a lot of people are starting to look into other projects besides those ones, and VeChain is one of them. And yeah. But one thing I want to point out is that a lot of people are saying, a lot of analysts especially are saying, that we will see the biggest altcoin rally we have ever seen, like in the cryptocurrency history. So if that were to occur, guys, if that type of magnitude of a bull run were to occur, VeChain, hitting a dollar is realistic, guys. Because once that type of parabolic run occurs, markets move super quick, guys, super quick. So I would not be surprised if it were to hit, a $1. My personal price prediction, as you guys may know, my VeChain family does know that, my personal price prediction for VeChain is 38 cents. If you guys want to know where I got that, go watch my price prediction video. You guys will get a better understanding. But like I said, if we were to see that type of a magnitude of a bull run, I would not be surprised if Vechain were to even pull off a dollar. But like I said, I'm in it for the long haul. I'm not in it for the short term. I will take profits. Like I said, I do take profits, but I'm in it for the long haul. I see the bigger picture, and Vechain is the future in my opinion. But let me know your thoughts down below, guys. Let me know where you could see Vechain trading at the end of April. I've been trying to do this giveaway for you guys. Whenever my video hits 500 likes, well, you guys have 1 week to hit the video to 500 likes. I will come back to this video a week from now on, and if it hit 500 likes, I will give $100 worth of giveaway. Other videos have been close, but they really did not reach 500 likes. So if this one can get 500 likes within a week, within 1 week, and I will come back to this video and give one lucky winner $100 worth of Vechain. So it's free, guys. Like the video, subscribe, and leave your comment section below. Where you could see Vechain being traded at the end of April. I would love to know your thoughts down below. And guys, always invest what you can afford to lose, and always do your research before investing. I cannot stress this enough. And stay safe out there. Safety comes first, health comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. I'm gonna wrap it up, guys. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.